with the new dress.
Got my book on.
It's cracking pretty. Hey, I'm gonna be headed out to LA right now in a little bit. I just got home and they wanted me to fucking go again for a music video. But I was gonna ask you if you had those shoes finished.
Alright, so we just got to the office right now and we're like on a last minute mission right now. So my boy Jaydee hit me up from Herencia De Patrones. For all my Mexican audience out there, you know who that is for sure, for sure. I was gonna actually do the video today, but I got a little caught up with my shorty back here. So I was gonna just set it for tomorrow, and then he hit me up like 30 minutes ago saying, bro, I need the shoes right now because I'm having a music video to shoot tomorrow. And I was like, geez, I got you though. So, all white Air Forces right here. So what we're gonna do with this is throw the Burberry on there. So I'll throw the video of me cutting up the Burberry bag right now. So here's that bag I just showed me cutting up. It is cut into pieces already because we made these here. Look how fire these are. So at the end of the video, let me know if you like the Vans more than the Air Forces. But honestly, I think these Air Forces are gonna come out way cleaner. But anyway, so we're wasting time. We only got like an hour to do these. So let's get started. know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Make sure to leave a like, a comment. Follow me, Brahma 001. You could buy a pair of these Burberry shoes. down at my website, brahmacustoms.com. The link will be down in the description. And until then, stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching. Shout out to the whole clique guy for pulling up. Until then, see ya.